Hi, this is Jim Tanner from Comvigo, and today I'm going to show you how to log into our mobile site and administer your settings from your computer. We do recommend that you use your computer and not try to manage your settings from the actual app because we don't know what you're blocking or the different settings, and the screen size is so tiny it's very hard to actually manipulate. So we do recommend, and we say on our Google Play description, to please use a computer or at least a tablet to administer. So you go to www.comvigomobile.com and you could see right the first item here is settings. Click on settings and you'll get this screen, and you can log in. And I will log into my account. User ID and password are the same ones for your Android device. And I will log in. And you can see that I'm in. You can see I have 3 devices here under users. These all represent Android devices where I've installed, and that corresponds to the mobile name on the Android app itself. So I'm going to open one of these randomly, Jim's Samsung Note, and we'll take a peek and we'll go over some of the settings. So you could see here there's 4 tabs. Category, which is you're blocking, the sites that you're blocking. Time settings, which is a scheduler, and we'll go over that a little bit. Exception lists, these are the URLs or websites that you want to allow or specifically to block in addition to our categories. And the app control, these are the apps that are installed on the device which you can remotely block from here. So this won't be of super detail, but this will give you a high level. So for this user, we can look at the predefined categories, and you can see we have these different ones here: antisocial, belief, parental activity, and this is to whitelist and block. So under these, I will block everything. So I will check all these blocks, all these items, and then I will press save. And now all these items have been blocked. And if I go in there, you can see it held the block. Time settings, you can say, well, the user can browse all the time, although the filtering settings will be in place, or you could specify the time. And you simply get a 24-hour clock here, and you can begin checking the times where it's blocked. So these white spaces actually represent when it's when they're blocked. As you can see here in the legend, the blue is they have access, and the white they do not have access. And you could also limit the total number of hours per day here, and again you will hit save, and it will refresh, and now you can see your blocking time. Now this one's important. Exception lists. Say you want to add a website that you always want to view, and I'll say comvigo.com since that's our website. And so if you say host, that's everything under comvigo.com. That includes all directories, pages, everything. So that pretty much is the whole domain. And I'm going to say allowed and save that. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot the www dot, and save. And you can additionally, for the non-www URLs in that one, and that will whitelist that. So now if we go to the users again, and we go here to where this user was in the exception list, you can see now everything under Comvigo.com is allowed under the host. And we can do the same for specific URLs, and we can block them, or unblock, which is allowed, which is called whitelisting. Now the app control is pretty simple. The website will synchronize with the phone, and it will list all of the apps. You can see all the apps that are on this phone, and there's pages, so there's lots of apps on here. There's 4 pages of apps actually. And I will block Sprint Fun and Games. I'll press block for Sprint Fun and Games. And you can see Sprint Zone I will allow. So I'm allowing a Sprint Zone right now. And I got a message here. So, okay. Back to Sprint Fun and Games. Okay, I believe these two apps happen to be connected, and that's why it's doing that, because you can see they're both com.sprint.zone. So that was a kind of a non-typical example. Let's go to another one. Samsung Everglades video, and we will block this guy. And we should get our little pop-up message here. Take 1 second, my connections are just a little bit slow. Here we go. Sorry, connection was just a bit slow, and there we go. It's blocked now. So that's automatically saved. So we've gone over the 4 basic tabs: category setting, time setting, exception lists, and app control. And we looked at the user tab, and you could see I have 3 users on here. We could add as many users as we want. So I can sign out now and go back, and we are back to the home page. And that gave you kind of an overview of how to log in and manage your settings, and I hope that was helpful, and I hope you have a great day. You can visit us at www.comvigo.com, and the Comvigo app has a free 30-day trial from the Google Play Store. Remember to read the Google Play description prior to download, just to give you some additional information. It could be very helpful. And we do hope you have a great day. Thanks.